How am I going to figure that out? I look at that and go, well, all right. There's a couple things I can do with it. One, between the squares, is there a minus sign?
No.
No, so it's not a what? It's not a hyperbola, right? Is x and y squared? Then it's not a parabola. So now there are two choices. One's an ellipse and one is a circle. So the question is, if I divided that 25 across, if I divided it across, would I get different numbers? No, I get the same number. So I have just as much this way, up, down, as I have left, right, which makes it a what? Makes it a circle. So this is standard form. So then I would like you on this worksheet as well to turn it into standard form. So in this case, I'm really kind of lame because what's my answer? Circle, and it already is, right? Okay? So I want you to do the same sorts of thing for the other one. So we're going to go ahead and go ahead and try number 2. Number 2, what is that one?
Ellipse.
How do you know, sir?
Well, through deductive reasoning, it's not a parabola.
It's not a parabola.
It's not a circle.
It's not a circle. Why do you know it's not a circle?
Because different sides.
Different sides. So if I were to rewrite it like this, dividing both sides by 25, right? I would get x squared over 50 plus y squared over 100. Those are definitely different numbers, correct? So that makes this a what? Ellipse. Fair enough?
The same area as problem 1. Or is
Well, I need 2 L's, don't I? It's 2 L's?
Yeah.
Messing with my head right
2
now.
L's?
2 L's. What was your question?
I was just wondering, what's the relationship between 1 and 2? Would there be like an area thing?
No.
Because it's both equal 25.
Right, but think about this. This one opens, it's 5, it does this, right? 5, 5?
Yeah.
This one here is going to be weird, right? It's going to be like 7-ish and 10.
Oh, so it would have greater.
That's the greater here. Yep. All right, keep working. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to roam around. Oh, wait. That's 18 over here, right? Good? So what? Oh no, I made a mistake way back there. No. Plus 5 then. Wait. Still plus. Why did I turn this to minus here? That's really bad. Better?
Can you explain that? I can't really read my writing. That doesn't help. No, I don't understand.
All right, what I got, Glenn? Okay, where did I lose you?
The second
So I don't want a 1 here because then it'd be completed square, right? So I
Yeah.
kick the 1 over to the other side.
Yeah, I did that.
And then I said, okay, I need half the middle, so I got to get rid of the 4 too. I got to get rid of the 4. Divide both sides by 4. You're not going to factor this time because you moved to the other side, right? Which is why we're confused when we ran into it later and said, well, what do I do with it now? I'll move to the other side.
Okay.
Divide both sides by 4. Then half the middle term squared gives me 1 over here, so I add 1 to both sides.
Why is half of one?
Uh-oh, did I mess that up too? Ah! Totally messed this up. You guys, let me get away with murder.
That's why I was confused.
He says that now, like, huh? No, that wouldn't that be 1 for it? Sloan found it first. What the heck?
I was looking at it and wasn't sure.
You weren't sure, so you weren't going to help us out. You figured you'd just let us hang on
I
it.
figured
It's
I
all
made
right.
a mistake.
You figured you made a mistake. You know what half of 1 is? I don't know what half of 1 is, but you know what half of 1 is. 4 t squared, or just a 4 up. Darn it. Repeat our mistakes over and over again. T squared plus t, so half of 1 is 1/2. So 1/2 squared would be 1/4, agreed? So if I had 1/4 here, I have to add 1/4 over here, agreed? I clean this up. So this is going to become t plus 1/2 squared, agreed? And this is going to become y over 4 plus 2/4. I'm going to keep it like that because I'm going to factor out a 4th. All right? Because I can't have anything on that y. Y has to be by itself. So I pull out a 1/4, I get 1/4 y plus 2 equals t plus 1/2 squared, agreed? Now this has to be 4p, right? So I'm going to say 4p equal to 1/4, or p equals 1/16, agreed? So I'm going to get 4 times 1/16 y plus 2 equals t plus 1/2 squared. And that tells me for sure it's a what? And then we've got it ready to graph. Does that make sense? You don't like that?
No.
It's tricky. It's fun.